everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So in today's video I have a 12-inch round canvas and I have it on my spinner, my cake spinner, and I've got some swipe tools that I will be using. If you've watched any of my most recent videos, I've been doing some shorts, and if you guys don't know what those are just like under a minute short videos, and they're just fun, you know, really fun to do. So this is one of them that I did with the shorts, and it turned out really good. So I've been doing a few of these like this. And super fun, so I thought I would go bigger and do a longer video for you guys because I've had some requests for that. And I'm incorporating the DecoArt Enchanted paints as well. I've got, that one is Magenta, I've got Turquoise, I've also got gold, and then violet and blue. And the way that I mix those, these are thin. They're, you know, a craft paint, so they're thinner. So the way that I mix, in this 1 ounce cup, I put an ounce of the Enchanted paint with like 1 teaspoon, 1.5-ish teaspoons of the pouring medium, which my pouring medium is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, some Golden GC800, and some water. And you can easily just use Floetrol and water as well if you would like. And then my base coat is the DecoArt Dazzling Metallic, or not Dazzling Metallics, Americana Decor Metallics. And it's one of my favorite blues. It is the Deep Sapphire. It's super pretty. So that is what I'm going to use. And I wanted to see how the Enchanted paints do in this technique. I'll probably do one with the shimmers as well, but I wanted to start out with the regular Enchanted. So I am just going to go ahead and get my canvas covered first, and then I'll be able to get started. Go over it just in case there's a few air bubbles. I didn't really have to shake that because I come in here in my room every day, and if I don't use paints, I give them a good shake. I usually keep a marble in mine. I don't know if you could hear that, but there's a marble, 2 marbles in there, and it helps, especially if you're not using your paints as often. You keep some mixed up, and then you can shake them and keep them mixed up. So, all right, so now what I'm going to do here is put my paints on the canvas. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put my the Enchanted paints, and I'm just going to go straight across. And that first one was blue. And this one is violet, gold. I've only got a little bit of the turquoise left. So magenta. Alright, so now what I do is I take my swipe tool and, well, first off, let me go ahead, and there are some more air bubbles, so I did have to mix up, give these Enchanted paints a little stir. Alright, so this takes a little bit of a coordination, and I always get a little nervous when I'm doing it, even though it's fun. So I go ahead and spin it, and then I will put my swipe tool right in the center and kind of move my hand across. That's the idea of it. So I'm just going to, all right, here we go. All right, now I'm kind of going to go through the middle a little bit. I'm going to do that one more time because I don't really know. Maybe I'll take my little one. I'm going to take my little one and kind of go through the middle a little bit more. All right, whoops. Here we go. Press down a little bit more. All right, there we go. That looks kind of cool. So now what I'm gonna do, you can kind of see that there's some cells developing here too. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spin, and I'm gonna spin the opposite way, and then hopefully it will open up these, kind of spread it out a little bit. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna make a bigger mess. I'm gonna give it a good one. There we go. There we go. That opened it up a bit. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and let's see here what we got. I go this way. I want to drag this a little bit through here. Let me see if I can get that again. There we go. I have paint everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave that. I like that. All right. That looks really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see how gorgeous that is. But there we go. There's more cells that are developing as we go here, as time kind of goes. You can see there's some more developing there. And also this, if you guys are new and don't know what the Enchanted paints are, I guess I didn't explain that. They'll change color when they dry. So that's one of the reasons I really love using this paint. It's just so pretty, and you don't know how it's going to dry. It's kind of fun to see how it reveals itself. So I think I'm just going to go through this a little bit here too. There we go. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys can see the colors catching. You can see a little bit of it, but for the most part it looks really white or lighter. It's got a little bit of the purple coming through. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end so you can see the dried result, because you'll be wowed. All right guys, I'll be back when they're dry. Alright everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I told you you would be wowed. I think this turned out amazing. These DecoArt Enchanted paints are beautiful. I love how the colors changed. It just came alive when they dry. And this technique is super, super fun. So I have been enjoying doing this technique with a bunch of different kinds of paints. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel. And one way that you can help me out is to share this video. So if there's someone that you think may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. I do really appreciate that. And if you guys have not used the Enchanted paints yet, I highly recommend that you get yourself some. I got a coupon code in my description to save you 20%, so go check that out. And also, if you are interested in any acrylic pouring tools, go check out acrylicpouringtools.com. You'll find the swipe tools that I used in today's video, along with all my other acrylic pouring tools. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.